This week brought a wave of new AI models, robotic breakthroughs, and agent tools with real world impact. Here are the biggest updates you need to know. OpenAI Shopping Research Agent. OpenAI quietly added a new shopping research agent directly inside ChatGPT. This mode acts like a personal product researcher. You describe what you want, and the agent asks clarifying questions, explores multiple retailers, compares specs, highlights trade offs, and builds a full recommendation report. Users can mark items as not interested or more like this, which helps refine the results in real time. The system runs on a specialized version of GPT-5 Mini tuned specifically for product research, and it is available even on the free plan. It is designed to rely on trusted sources, avoid spam sites, and keep chats private from retailers. For anyone overwhelmed with product decisions, this is a surprisingly capable autonomous shopping assistant. Claude Opus 4.5. Anthropic released Claude Opus 4.5, a model focused heavily on coding and agent-style tasks. On software engineering benchmarks, it scores at the top of the chart for code generation and problem solving. It writes clean code across multiple languages, completes multi-step logic, and often solves tasks using fewer steps, which reduces token usage. Independent leaderboards show that while Opus 4.5 is not the strongest model overall, it is one of the best for programming tasks specifically. The trade-offs are a smaller context window compared to competitors and a much higher price per million tokens. If your main use case is code or agent workflows, it is a powerful option, especially for structured software tasks. Unitree G1 basketball demo. Unitree showed a new demonstration of the G1 humanoid robot playing basketball. The robot shoots naturally, keeps balance on both feet, and dribbles with coordinated hand and body motion. It can even play casual one-on-one against a human by pivoting and shooting over defenders. While the movements look simple, they require precise timing, force control, and stability, making this a major milestone for affordable humanoid robots. Unitree continues to show rapid progress in locomotion and manipulation, moving closer to practical home and workplace applications. DeepSeek Math V2. DeepSeek introduced Math V2, a model that achieved gold medal level performance on the most challenging math competitions in the world. It reached gold on the International Math Olympiad, the Canadian Math Olympiad, and scored near perfect results on the Putnam exam. These competitions usually require hours or days of reasoning for human experts. The model uses a step-level verifier during training, so it learns not just final answers, but correct reasoning chains. This approach makes it strong at proofs, symbolic manipulation, and long-form logical reasoning. DeepSeek released the model under the Apache 2 license, so it is fully open for research and integration. Right now, this is one of the most advanced open models available for high-level reasoning. Aloha Mini low-cost home robot. A separate robotics project called Aloha Mini also gained attention this week. It is a small wheeled robot with 2 arms that you can build at home using 3D printed parts and about $600 of components. Users demonstrate tasks through teleoperation, and the robot learns them through imitation. Examples include wiping a table, picking up items, opening a fridge, and placing laundry into a basket. The full hardware bill of materials, assembly guide, and training code are open source. Aloha Mini represents an unusually affordable step toward home robotics that anyone can experiment with. Flux 2 image model. Flux 2 was released with the goal of producing high-resolution, realistic images and strong typography. The Pro version generates detailed, polished visuals and can edit existing images with style transfer and character consistency. However, the best results come from the closed paid version. The open source release, Flux 2 Dev, is extremely large and requires significant GPU memory while producing images that still resemble earlier synthetic styles. A smaller distilled version is planned, but not yet available. For most creators, Flux 2 Pro is capable but overshadowed by newer top-tier models, and Flux 2 Dev is too resource-heavy for practical local use. Microsoft Farra 7B Computer Use Agent. Microsoft introduced Farra 7B, a small agent model designed to operate a computer through the screen. It can see the desktop, move the mouse, click buttons, scroll, type, search, and navigate interfaces using a paired vision model. In demos, it buys products online, fills out forms, summarizes articles, and performs multi-step workflows while pausing for user approval at key points. Benchmark charts show Farra combining strong accuracy with low cost compared to other computer use agents. The model is open source, runs locally, and has optimized builds for consumer hardware, making it one of the most practical computer control agents available today. Geo Vista Open Geolocation Agent. Geo Vista is a new open agent that tries to determine where a single photo was taken. It zooms into specific regions of the image, reads signs, detects language, extracts landmarks, and uses search to narrow down the location. It repeats the reasoning cycle until it predicts a specific city or site. On benchmarks for geolocation, GeoVista is the strongest open source model and comes close to commercial systems. The model is about 7 billion parameters and can run on a high-end consumer GPU. If you need a free and open solution for geolocation tasks, GeoVista is currently the most capable option. These were the key AI developments this week. From powerful new coding and reasoning models to open robots, compact agents, and new image systems, the pace of progress continues to accelerate. Let me know which update you want a deeper video on, and if you want more clear weekly coverage, subscribe to AI Waves.